Transform how people learn. Lead with the brain in mind. The Brain-Friendly Leadership Program is a 2-day face-to-face certification aimed for professionals, trainers, leaders, educators. And what you will learn is how to run workshops using the I4 Neuroleader Model and methodology. It's a fresh human way of developing leaders, one that sparks innovation and creativity and unlocks potential. With the heart-to-heart cards, you are taught how to invite open and honest dialogue around performance, collaboration, innovation, and agility.
I needed continuous coaching education units for me to recertify with the International Coaching Federation. And I've been looking all year for a suitable course. And I went through a whole lot from the States, local courses, and eventually I saw this program advertised by Dineshrie. And it sounded interesting, so I called her and she explained what it was about. So I said, I'm keen. So I registered. And it's exceeded all my expectations.
I'm fascinated by people and what motivates them and how the brain works. And when I saw this course, I thought, finally, I'm going to have all of those answers.
I thought that this was a nice way to expand on my knowledge, and it would be a good fit for my toolkit.
That it is brain-based and that it is science-based. I have a lot of clients that are scientists and they often refer to soft skills as woo-woo or pop psychology. So at least now when I go and see them, I can say, no, this is actually brain-based science, and show them the actual science behind it.
I've always been interested in the brain, the mind, and how we all work and how we all fit together. So when I spoke to Dineshrie and she said she has this course open, and I said, oh wow, please sign me up, because I'm quite interested to know the science behind it.
Become a brain-friendly trainer. Whether you attend my next public program or want me to do an in-house training, get in touch with me. Let's get you started.